Today I woke up and I was like, no, we're not working out. The weather's so dry, I can like barely breathe. So I'm doing a face steaming. What else do you do this early on a Monday? This face steamer that I have, it also works as a towel warmer and a humidifier. So I might turn it on in my office today as a humidifier. Oh, it feels so good. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on as a humidifier. Makeup did not help, I just looked tired. Whoa!
Rosen? That's not a word.
We're playing Wordle. Rosen.
Boren? Bowden? Bogan? Bogey.
Boogie. And I'm going through my December Ipsy box. This one, this matte primer I've used already, it's amazing. You can throw that away. Brad's in a purging mood.
To be fair, look at our dining table.
Why are you so mean to me now?
I'm not mean! Stop thinking I'm mean!
It's so mean.
It's not mean. We just have a lot of, like, we get a lot of stuff and it just goes on the counters.
I'm too tired. Look at this. The brush looks like a unicorn.
It does look like a unicorn horn.
Uh-oh. Maybe like, why didn't we go on a walk today? Mommy doesn't want to. Mommy's too tired.
Is token a word?
Token is a word.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Blank O-K-E-N. Hoken? Doken? Boken? Woken? It's gotta be woken. Yep, got it. Nailed it. Teamwork. Got it in 3. It's like a birdie.
Just like a birdie. So, you know, we've golfed a little too much. Okay. Want me to give you a hair mask today? Okay. What time is it? Oh, it's almost time to start work. I actually recently reorganized my office, so I wanted to show you what I did. Hi, Mama. It's my coworker. But this is what I'm working with right now. It is a bit messy because we just reorganized it. We got this new rug. I need to get maybe a bookshelf for right here. And then I was thinking of doing a gallery wall behind me. I already have one, and this is what my father-in-law got me. My favorite band is the Rolling Stones, and finally got to go to a show to them on October 17th, and this artist did the actual set list. So, really cool gift. Moved this from downstairs because I didn't like the colors of it to match our house. We used to live by the ocean and it was pretty coastal, so that's what it used to be. And it kind of matches this dresser that we have. Yeah, I usually have like either the fireplace going or like cafe jazz with an ambiance because I'm working here and it's just really nice to have.
I made
lunch.
a little extra.
Brad made some chicken nuggets that don't look really good.
Taylor,
Look at them.
I made these.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Weren't they
Look,
frozen?
I literally just made these.
They're frozen.
From scratch.
They're frozen. Strangest way to pick them up.
It's hard. I made way too many.
Oh my god.
It didn't look like a lot when I poured it out of the bag.
Did they expand?
No. That's
Yeah.
way too much chicken.
I want to try this one.
Okay.
They're hot. It looks sus, but it's good.
You like it?
Oh, it tastes so nostalgic.
Really?
Mhm.
I'll try one.
Like having chicken nuggets when you were little.
Mmm.
Those need a sauce or something. I don't know. I'm a sauce person. I love sauce.
Ketchup?
Yeah, we can use ketchup. Oh. Is this lame of us?
It's something.
Yeah, it's better. I guess it's better than nothing. So we wanted to get stuff done, like on the outside of the house, but what were people quoting us? Like $800?
Yeah.
Which is crazy. This is our makeshift way of doing it. Oh yeah, perfect. It's actually kind of long. I wonder if I have something I can like hide on that side so it doesn't look. Let's put the placemat back. I have another sign, or I can put poinsettias because I'll show you. It's like just dangling there. That kind of covers it, right? I feel like that's so lame, but we did what we could. Look at what Brad made.
I cooked for you one pork chop.
Thank you. Pork chop and potatoes in the oven still. Yum, 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 yum.
40 minutes on the potatoes.
Oh, God. This is like our everyday weekend night. Just catching up on shows from the week. We finished White Lotus, now we're on Yellowstone. We also watched 9 Day Fiancé. We finished Wednesday. Thoughts on Wednesday?
I really liked it.
Try it
Yeah, it
out.
was cute.
Mount
but-
Chisholm.
Gotta watch
There.
John Denton.
Drive down to Lewis Creek.
Dutton?
The whole drive.
My dad says it wrong all the time, so it's like permanently messed me up.
Keep moving south.
John Denton.
Into the meadow and push them down
Dad's
the
over
river.
me.
It's all about you and Stray.
Where the girls get to choose guys, and some people are going home tonight. Just check it out. Okay. I have really difficult decisions.
Keep on going home.